Welcome back, family. Today we're diving into something that affects all of us whether we realize it or not. I'm here to break down the truth. No fluff, no filters. If you've been feeling like your rights have been stripped away, that the system is rigged, or that no one is listening, it's because there are bigger forces at play. Today we're going to uncover how and why the system has been set up to work against you, and what you can do to change that. Stay with me because we're about to make some noise. The court system exposed. So let's get right to it. You've heard the rumors about the government controlling the courts, the manipulation of laws, and the fact that most Americans don't even know where to turn for justice. But here's the truth, and this is something that they don't want you to know. In the United States, if you've been wronged by the government or a judge, there's a specific place to go to seek justice. It's called the United States Court of Federal Claims. But let's be clear. This court isn't just your run-of-the-mill federal court. It's the one court that holds the power to hold the government accountable for financial wrongdoings. If you've had issues with government officials, or if you've been let down by a judge, this is where your battle begins. What most people don't realize is that this court has the authority to provide compensation if the government has wronged you. If you've been mistreated by any part of the government, including judges and other officials, this court is the one place where you can demand answers, and even get compensation for your suffering. But why don't we hear about this more? The simple answer: because they don't want you to know. Territory courts. Holding the system accountable. Now, the video that we're sharing today brings up another important point.
What's up, everybody? So, I'm going to tell you a little story. And that story, I hope you like and you share, because this is true. So I'm going to answer your questions why you have no rights. And I'm going to tell you why you're being crapped all over. And I suggest you share this video as fast as you can before they take it down. The reason that you don't have any rights is because you don't have any common law courts in the United States. Well, you have one, and you don't know where it is. And all the attorneys and all the judges are against you. Your entire system knows that you're not smart enough to exercise your rights. So I'm going to tell you where to go, and I'm going to tell you what to do. If you've been crapped on by a judge, or you've been crapped on by a government officer or agent, you need to go to the United States Court of Federal Claims, which is 3 buildings in front of the White House on the right-hand side, and it's the red building. In 1854, the Whig Party had died, and the Republican-Democrat Party split into 2. It's one party working together. It's all a facade. Lincoln and his boys took over the government, and President Franklin Pierce knew it, and so did the legislatures. So they passed the United States Court of Federal Claims, a court of law and fact for citizens when the government does them wrong. If you've been wronged by a judge, and this includes Donald Trump, I'm independent, I don't really care who the president is because it's all a joke. The reason you're not getting any answers is because your stupid attorneys are taking you to the wrong place. That's right. They're either stupid or they're lying to you because they're all working together. If you want to punish a judge, there's only 3 United States courts in the world. And guess what? They moved them all off of the shores of the United States. They're called territory courts. One is in the Mariana Islands, one is in Guam, and one is in the United States Virgin Islands. You don't have any rights because you don't have any courts. And judges are out of control because you don't have any place to punish them. I suggest you share this as fast as you can before they take it down. These are the facts. The United States Courts of Federal Claims will get you a declaratory judgment of fact and law. The territory court in Guam and the Mariana Islands and the U.S. Virgin Islands will get you to punish judges. Good luck. Have fun. Go get them.
Let's spread the word and empower our community to stand together. Because when we know our strength, nothing can hold us back. Let's spread the word and empower our community to stand together. Because when we know our strength, nothing can hold us back.